Hi, Joel. Hi.
Hi. So I got busy last week, so I wasn't able to schedule time with you.
Hmm.
Um, which I'm planning to do this week. So as I told you last week, I have 95 videos on my channel.
Hmm.
The niche is health, but I'm looking for like a sub niche so I can
Yeah.
possibly go viral. What see, I have a history of kidney transplant, had kidney disease since I was a kid, and then um, I lost a lot of weight about 13 years ago. We're talking like 29 pounds in 33 days twice. I wrote a book, became a bestseller on Kindle. So I wanted to sub niche into that. So if you don't mind just giving me a quick feedback on my channel overall view, so I know what to work on to
Hmm.
sub niche.
Hmm.
And I posted the channel on,
Yeah.
yeah, there you go. So
Yeah.
just need a quick feedback so I can prepare for what to do next
Hmm.
to prepare for our call.
Yeah. So you have 97 videos posted,
95.
95. Yeah. And then the last one was 3 weeks ago. How to lose belly fat, fast weight loss for men, different exercises to lose belly fat, fat weight loss for women. And here you have some, okay, bladder cancer.
So I was looking for sub niche topics,
Hmm.
basically.
Yeah.
And this series of videos have been going on for 6 months now,
Yeah.
and I still haven't hit the viral.
Yeah. Yeah, because your videos are getting really little views very often indeed.
I know.
Yeah. And it seems like it's just one, it's like in terms of health, like the broadest health channel that you can imagine, right? It's like about your organs, it's about foods, it's about exercises you can do for men, for women, for older men and women, hair,
I
shoulder
was trying
exercise.
to mimic Buddy Hub.
Yeah. So, and I get your ID. And the problem is with like you probably mimic the channel that is extremely big, right? Like millions of subscribers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I would always try to do, like I just went over with Tuck and in the niche research, is really focus your new channel or your audience on one specific target audience. So one specific group of people that you can build like a fan base in. Because if you look at this, like this is an like older woman, younger guy, older woman, older fat guy, older guy that's sick. Like it's a lot of different personas that you're targeting, right? And yes,
Well,
this.
my target market, at least in my mind, is between 40 to 60. I'm 56.
Mhm. Right.
And I'm,
So
even though I had a kidney transplant, I have, I mean, I hike, I work out, I have the energy of probably
mhm,
a 30-year-old.
mhm.
And
Yeah,
that's what I wanted to kind of convey,
yeah,
how to do that.
mhm. Yeah, I understand.
So 40 to 60.
Yeah. So if it's from 40 to 60, like I only see younger people in here, you know? So that's like would be one thing that's off because if you are someone that is between 40 and 60, if you see someone else your age, then you are more likely to click that video too, you know? So these
So should
would be
I
like more targeted at 40 to
re-upload
60.
the videos and change the thumbnails into more older people?
That could be a start, but honestly, I would like maybe even if you want to do a channel only on this whole kidney thing you just told me about. I don't know if
Okay.
if just kidneys is like a broad enough topic to do a whole channel around, but maybe it is. I'm not familiar with the niche, but you would
Okay.
you would have to do some research if you can make like come up with like 15 to 20 videos ideas at least about just kidneys and diseases and how to fix it and how to prevent it or whatever, to start your channel in just that niche. And then hopefully, if
Okay.
it takes off, then you can expand to broader topics and maybe talk about other organs, for example.
Okay. Oh, another sidebar is I've been a physical therapist for 36 years.
Yes.
So that's another area. And my clients are mainly above 50.
Mm-hmm.
So that's probably another subtopic, because I want to stay to health, because that's my expertise. That's my degree. I've
Yeah.
been doing it for 36 years.
Yeah.
I had some health challenges.
Mhm.
So,
And that's fine.
so
Health can definitely work, but you will have, that's at least my advice, you will have to start in a specific sub niche or a specific topic or just a specific format for your videos that you can build an audience in and that is interest towards. Because stuff like this that you have here, like fast weight loss for men, like the idea of the video is good and it works for some people, but videos like this are done like maybe every single day, multiple times, you know, maybe there's like multiple uploads every day about this topic, like fast weight loss for men or for, weight loss for women. So it's just very hard to penetrate a market like this if you don't have a clear target audience and if you don't have an audience for it. Okay.
okay.
So what I would do if I were you, what is that channel called you just said?
My
Body Hub?
channel,
Body Hub or something?
Body Hub is the kind of like my role model.
Mm-hmm.
Eventually, I guess that's eventually.
Yeah. So this one?
Yeah. They have really nice graphics.
Yeah. So what I would do, Joel, if this is something that like interests you, there's a couple other big channels like this. Like go through the course and look at these niche research methods that we talked about today. So in here, if you get vidIQ, you can like filter here on trending videos, for example, right?
Yeah. That's another thing I wanted to ask you. I've had vidIQ for, gosh, 6 months now. And because I'm busy as a physical therapist, I don't really have time to go into it, but I trained my virtual assistant to do it, and it's still not working. So is there like, I mean, outside of vidIQ, the tutorials, is there a way to kind of not hack, but kind of really get into the vidIQ system so it'll work for getting the right keywords?
Well, it only works if you make it work, right?
Okay.
If you've had it for 6 months but don't like use it, honestly, the only
Well, my assistant uses it.
right. So Joel, the only thing that I actually use vidIQ for is to look at this, so the trending videos with the extension, the channel stats right here, and then also let's say you want to do a channel like this. Right. So here you have like, okay, what are the best performing videos? So here, foods for muscle mass, foods for muscle gain. Let's see, weird side effects of specific supplements, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then here, this is also for like muscle gain. So what I would see here is you either do a channel on terrible side effects of insert your supplement, right? There's thousands of supplements, so you can make so many videos about this. So this might be a good channel ID. So you're going to make a health channel about the terrible or the amazing benefits of specific how do you say it? What did I just say? Supplements, right? Or you look for something like, okay, these videos are about foods that grow your muscles. So maybe you can do a channel about specific food or just specific things to grow your muscles only. So whether that's food or exercises.
Okay.
That's the way I would look at it. And then
so
if
really
you
dig deep
and
into the niche.
yeah, and then if you want to do the channel about muscle gain, then you can go to vidIQ, for example, or Google, and type in something like muscle gain, and then see what comes up, like exercises, food, search volumes, like the IDs that come up when you do like muscle gain or supplements or like